up, guys? I am back with another reaction video. This one is actually trending right now. It's Remy Ma and Papoose freestyling on Flex. I love Remy Ma, so I just have to react to it.
It's Funk Flex, okay? Hashtag Freestyle 027. We here. Remy Ma, Papoose. Everybody can't come up here at all. Bars are back.
Facts. My guy.
That's what it is these days, right?
And I just need y'all to know I pre-approved and show Flex the date and time when this was written.
Absolutely.
Writing off the phones. Y'all had to listen to garbage. I know y'all glad Remy back. Getting that paper, that bag. You not bad, you doing bad. Mad cause I'm not mad. Can't take you serious, period. You live in your mom's pad. Heard you was acting freestyling, you was way scared. Bitch, I'm so secure, I wrote this on the way here. Been killing kids while they nap since daycare. I got this sewed up and on track like fake hair. When niggas ask me to spit, they know what I'm about to do. When they ask you to spit, they wanna see what that mouth do. When I talk greasy trust, it ain't about you. I don't shade, I say names, you don't want me to shout you. Every bar's a bar, bitch, what you know about that? They calling me bars, bitch, or Kit Kat. You get that? You broads never go hard and rap. Okay, maybe once or twice, but you ain't off of that. See your whole style bitten, pieces ain't hitting. When I said it was written, was talking about y'all bitches. Y'all trying to play chess, but why would I play you when I can knock the whole fucking board off the table? See, I've been the difference. I don't do the shit they do. When I'm around, they quiet, I'm loud. You bitches K2. I'm straight Remy, no chase boo. And y'all bunch of old birds. Y'all just gray goose. I'm probably the only chick that make Flex drop bombs. Got more punchlines than thirsty niggas at prom. I ain't got a fraud for you. Black love be how I live. Before I made it cool, you was HOE positive. I put you on punishment. Now I gotta beat your ass. You like a disobedient teenager. Wanna be in these streets so bad. All this talk about my son and your son. I'm hot and your whole world revolve around me, bitch. I am the son. Wanted to be an icon. Ended up like Akon. They finally let me out. Now I'm an ex-con. Everybody ratting. I really need some decon. Told Flex put the beat on so I can go pecan. I show hold the weight. I'm the light. I'm the beacon. Looking for that real bitch. I'm the one that y'all see con. I'm on papers. I'm over here blowing dank. Y'all bitches really haters over there shooting blanks. Who knows? You might really hit something one day. But right now your shit weaker than Monday through Sunday. I'll take your wig off. No, literally take your wig off. It's funny when she talking tough, cause we know the bitch soft. And if she's soft, you soft more. That's why I school freshmen and juniors. But let me tell y'all what for. Cause that 3 us 2 could shoot the 1. I'm 195 10, you little bitches is done. I got that face on pretty, attitude on savage. New York City, I'm in the center like Javits. Now this the part where I talk shit, I know y'all hate that. This part not about bars, it's just all straight facts. In 2 years, no album, no solo single, no tour. 3 million followers and got 2 BT awards. Got the album of the summer, independent and the shit pop. Legitimize the entire franchise of loving hip hop. Ratings beat Monday Night Football to be toured thrice. Had Hove on my remix, dead ass, I am nice. Point Black Love, I made it cool to be covered. I body every beat I touch and then I marry my husband. New York rap back, rapping how I really rap. Body Summer Jam twice, what you know about that? 2 Soul Train Awards, yeah, female rap changing. And yesterday I woke up to 2 Grammy nominations. Facts.
They know what it is.
Right.
Clean. Bars are back.
And that was on the drive here.
Music still matters.
Man.
Babe.
That.
Dynamic duo.
Switch the beat. Yeah.
Alright, let's see, Pat. Let's see.
Check me out now. Yo.
Yeah, come with it.
Everybody on Instagram wanna be a mannequin. Bunch of bitches, you should try to be a man again. I be moving that white boy, Mac Miller. We both from Brooklyn, shout out to Tat Wizard. Niggas try to clap at me with fake goons, I'ma clap back. They gon' send me to the shade room. Just yesterday, we was Obama'd up. Now we all stuck with Ronald McDonald Trump. Every time I spit a 16, I get the crowd hype. Tell them the king back, they ain't wearing my crown right. I be living that 4-pound life. That nigga Flex gon' say, yeah, this what New York sound like. Y'all was all happy to be at the AMAs. I was out in New York gripping my favorite gauge. Satisfying some dope fiends, they ain't complain. He shooting up with a dope needle, it gave him AIDS. Before this rap shit, my family made a name. In the daily news, you fools, we made the page. These rappers act tough and cocky, but they afraid. Boogie Down Productions, run up and take the stage. I had a black and white TV, I made a change. Now we in living color, my brother. Damon Wayans, Public Enemy #1, Flavor Flav. Hey yo, your rollie be tick-tocking. That's cause it's not real, you be bullshit copping. I keep the fifth cocking. I spit so much crack in this New Jack City, I got the fiends Chris rocking. One day you with this clique, y'all went shopping. Next day you with that clique, this shit shocking. Next day you mad at them both, you flip-flopping. You hang around with too many cliques, you click hopping. Get biz on the mark, he just a friend. The cocaine so gray it need just for men. You pull a Tommy, I pull a 9. Squeeze it like an orange, now your Tommy is dead. Condolences to Martin Lawrence. While you was in the mirror trying to pop that bump, I was on the block learning how to pop that pump. Go ahead and gamble with your life, think you got that luck. You put your life in the bank, I'ma stop that up. You pay some change for your watch, man, you not that tough. I ox that chump for a watch that much. Always talking about the can, how they lock that up. Man, it is what it is, but it's not that tough. I'm saying jail is jail, it's the block that jump. That's where they kill, seen the top cat slump. I'm a walking reaper spot, I need the pot, believe I got that skunk. I scheme and plot, I seen the block, I need to block that jump. You drink a lot, but need to stop, to me you're not that drunk. You think you're hot, you leap and hop, I swing and block that dunk. The Nina pop, the beam is hot, the beamer dot that pump. I dream a lot and seen the Nasarima, got that rush. A bunch of cock back guns, we the cock back bunch. I bring a Glock and keep it cocked, the finger pop that cunt. Cause niggas will scheme on you if you got that trust. It's the money if it's not that lust. And I ain't never scared neither. You pop that junk. In Brooklyn, we pop you before you pop that trunk.
Yes.
And let me let y'all niggas know one thing. It's one life, one love, so it can only be one queen.
Facts.
You know what it is. Funk Flex, Remy Ma, my man Papoose. Everyone can come up here. Hashtag Freestyle 027. You see us. And if we don't see you, we meant not to see you because we don't care about you.
What he said.
This what New York sound like. Yes. Woo! They hot as shit. Okay, they both did their thing. I ain't even gonna lie. If you enjoyed this video and you want to go check it out, the original will be in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. That shit was hot. Thank you guys for watching.